heck is going on here? Ah, you... Oh, man. You scare me. Scare me to death. You scare me to death with that thing. Why you didn't tell me?
Sorry.
Man, don't do that to me. You want me to die from a heart attack?
No.
Do it again.
¿Y qué tiene que ver? Ya que no se ría, duro. Mírame.
Make my ribs hurt.